welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, my name is Adura, and today we're going to be diving into my journey into reaching 500 subscribers on YouTube. It's been a crazy ride full of ups and downs, but I've learned so much along the way. So if you're a content creator or just curious, keep watching. When I first started out my video, I had no idea what I was doing. I was so anxious about posting my first videos. It was my friends that even got me started, so I'm so grateful for them. I have uploaded at least 50 videos on my channel. I'm going to tell you right now that some content performed very well, even beyond my expectations. Some content performed as much as I'd expect, and some content were so bad with the views. You know, one thing that is very annoying, and you probably relate to, is when you spend a lot of time working on a video and the video doesn't even get as much views as you thought it would. So right now I'm trying to do a situation where I don't even spend way too much time or be too invested in the content that I make, because when you're so invested and it doesn't perform very well, it's very easy to get discouraged. I'm not going to lie, I can count the number of times I've romanticized quitting YouTube in my head. I'm just like, you know what, I'm just done. YouTube hates me, the algorithm hates me. But then I think about the fact that I already had like at least 100 subscribers, 200 subscribers, and then now 500 subscribers, and that's 500 people that are interested in what I have to say. Anyway, so let's go into everything that I've learned so far on YouTube. And we're going to start with the first and most important thing, your thumbnails. I'll just tell you one thing that I like to do when I'm creating thumbnails now, and it's that there's these three things you think about when you're creating your thumbnails: fear, curiosity, or knowledge, right? So people will either click on your thumbnail out of fear. If you say that, oh my god, the world is ending in 14 days, do this now, someone's going to click on it because they don't want to die. Like, if you can properly phrase it, this is just a rough example. Curiosity, I got married in 3 days or something like that. People will like amebo, so people will click on your videos. Another thing is educational purposes, all those how to make fried rice and plantain sauce, how to make digital products. Those are three distinct things that will make people click on your time and on your videos, and you need to make sure that you are accurately presenting that information, right? I'm still working on this myself. I'm not an expert. I'm just saying what I've learned. But when you're creating your thumbnail, create your thumbnail to inspire curiosity, fear, or education. Like, okay, you're going to learn something. I always go for the approach of curiosity with a bit of education, right? Especially when it comes to my making money videos. I'm like, oh, like, you want to know what happened. I tease you guys a little bit, and it has actually been working, to be honest. Those videos do way more than my average videos on my channel. And then another thing is also the title. Your title and thumbnail should work hand in hand, right? Video I made about making money, I'm going to say earn $20 in a week. Then on my thumbnail, I'm not going to repeat earn $20 in a week. That's waste of space and waste of marketing opportunities. What I'm going to say is this secret app, or it works. Basically, I'm making my thumbnail and title work hand in hand to further inspire curiosity and further inspire the ability of you actually clicking on that video. You get? So whenever you're creating your thumbnail, try to have it at the back of your mind that you're creating thumbnails and titles to work hand in hand, and something that would make someone curious enough to want to click on it. So that's it for thumbnails and title. Another thing I've come to learn is also average view duration. One thing that I've been trying to do at the beginning of every video is to kind of put like a teaser, like a preview content, so that people can know what to expect, and put like exciting parts of your video so that people can look forward to seeing those parts of the videos. And it's something that you're going to get better with as you practice, especially for vlog contents. Do this a lot. Also sit down videos do this a lot, where they put like a little bit of everything that was said in the video, so you're like, oh my god, I actually want to hear more of this. You get? Then another thing I've come to also realize is that when we all blame the algorithm, like, yeah, YouTube has its own fault, right? But instead of thinking of things like algorithm, let's think of it like audience instead. If your videos are not doing good, it just means the audience that YouTube is showing your videos don't like it. And yeah, YouTube may be at fault, but it's also still, they don't like it. At the end of the day, they're not clicking on it. And because they're not clicking on it, YouTube is going to say this video sucks and I'm not going to recommend it to anybody again. And then you'd be like, oh my god. So like I said, the thumbnail and title can definitely help you increase your click-through rate. But then another thing is, it's still down to, I would say, hope that YouTube actually recommend your content to the right people. Because now if anybody recommends gaming content to me about maybe watching people play football or Fortnite or Clash of Clans, I'm not going to click on it regardless of how catching the title is or how interesting the thumbnail is, because it's not me. So you really need to work and build your audience profile. If you're just starting out and you already know what you want to talk about, try and like have a niche so that YouTube can create a target profile for you that actually works and that is actually interested in seeing your content. Then niching is really, I just kind of cover niching, but yeah, niche, I wouldn't say be so streamlined. If you talk about what's the topic I would say? Let's say you talk about digital products. You can also try and, I wouldn't say you only have to talk about digital product. You can talk about other ways to make money. You get, I believe in doing things that are closely related. But if you talk about digital product, you cannot come up and telling me how to cook beans or rice. I'm not subscribed to you for that. And I'm literally trying to take my own advice and trying to like have more structure in my channel. But yeah, so that's the thing about niching down. Also, try and look at your analytics as well. See the best time to post, see your audience. Are your audience mostly male, mostly female? When are your audience actually around? They do say that it doesn't impact the long-term effect of your video, but I don't believe that. Like, if you're posting at 3 a.m. when nobody's around, it will recommend a bunch of videos to people that are around at, like, awake at 3 a.m. and they're not going to click on your video. So they're going to say that video just sucks. So yeah, always keep in mind and always check your analytics. I check my analytics daily, sometimes weekly, just see how the content is going. Also, best time to post. So check your analytics, see the recommendation of the best time to post, and then move from there. First of all, content ideas. Like there's some times there's some period, right, that I'll have so much content, I'll just be busting with content. Like I'm thinking of 100 videos to make in a day, which is crazy and which can lead to burnout, which is why any content that comes to mind, just write it down, don't think about doing it immediately. And then sometimes where I'll have like dry spells, I'll just be so unmotivated, especially after a video that I thought would do well, do not do well. I'm just like, oh, I'm not doing anything again, just leave me. So like those are really struggles. Another thing is editing. Tell me why I am editing videos for 2 weeks. 2 weeks. Why am I spending 2 weeks to edit a video? And the video got like 200 views. Pain. I'm just going to tell you, like, pain. YouTube has showed me shaking. And there was one video that I just started talking about. And tell me why that video has about, what's the amount of views? I think it's like 4K. Like the video that I feel like I've put one of the least effort. I did do some research, but like I didn't put so much effort in editing and so many things. And tell me why is that video that blew up? See, one thing I'm going to tell you, you're going to have to be patient on this journey. Because even right now, I still collect. Some days are good, some days are bad. But yeah, just like be patient. And another struggle I want to talk about is consistency. Whenever I watch a bunch of YouTube ideas, they're going to tell you be consistent. But it's hard. It's actually hard being consistent, especially when you're not seeing returns on your consistency. Like you're not getting the views, you're not getting the subscriber growth, you're not getting the increase in watch hours, you're not getting the increase in average view duration. You just start to doubt yourself, doubt why you're even on YouTube. But like I'm just going to tell you now that consistency is very important. So think about it this way: if you show up on YouTube maybe once or twice a month, YouTube is going to think that, oh, you're not serious. But if you have a dedicated time, which I'm even still working on, that you repost videos, they're going to start to build like trust with the algorithm, and they're going to recommend your videos to more people because they know that they can trust you to upload. Do you understand? So if you use that logic, you would realize that, okay, it's not going to be easy, but I have to be consistent. And then another thing I'm trying to do is I'm trying to play the long game, right? So just post as much videos. Don't be looking at one video and using it as a measure of success. Post a lot of videos, because some videos that you don't even expect to pick up might pick up and just do very good and now bring your channel to visibility. There's a particular creator that I'm following and she was under like 8K, and I kid you not, in a matter of a month she got to like 30K. It just be that one video. And my final advice, because I don't want this to be a YouTube education thing, I'm gonna give you is to be patient and not remove the idea in your mind that your next video is going to be the video that blows you, like that blows up your channel, right? I'm still trying to talk myself out of this, because anytime I make a video and I spend so much time, I was like, my god, this video is gonna do great, and then it doesn't do great, and then you're like, fuck, pardon my French. And it's like, so try and remove the idea that every video you do is going to do great. Give yourself a milestone that, okay, let us see how far you've come over a year. And even right now, my progress might be small to some people, might be a lot to some people, but I'm just so thankful of everything that I've done. I think I'm currently at over 500 subscribers and at least 30,000 views. So that's 30,000 people that have laid eyes on my videos and channel. I'm nowhere close to my monetization goals still, but like, I know that as long as I keep pushing, something will happen, right? But I'm not going to also put the pressure on myself that my next video is that video that's going to blow my channel, because when it doesn't work, you're very, very, very discouraged. So yeah, put in mind that YouTube is a long-term game, not just personally, it's also with the recommendation. Like, most people blow up or go viral, but it's very hard for you to go viral if you've not yet built some level of trust and a level of relationship with the YouTube algorithm you get. So yeah, patience, have patience, try and be consistent. I know it's not easy, but you have to be consistent. You have to treat it like a job. You have to be professional. You have to come every time that you promise your audience that you're going to come. Also try and use the community feature. Right now I get like maybe 3-4 likes but still, the fact that you like it, I don't know, even though I don't get high numbers, I'm just like, I just think about that. Oh, if 3-4 people came to me in person and said they like it, or if 100 people view something I did, that's a lot. It's just because we think that numbers are so crazy, and they are, but like, I am appreciative of the little numbers and the big numbers as well. You get, so have a gratitude mindset, be patient, and know that eventually the day in the sun will come. And that's it for this video. I'm going to wrap it up here. Anyway, thank you so much. Please like this video if you enjoyed it. Share with everybody. Just share. You don't know, anybody might be curious and click on it, and then they'll also see. Share with people that you think are upcoming content creators. Share with people that are also struggling, because they can literally learn something from this video that can change the momentum of their channel. And also subscribe if you haven't already. I'll catch you guys in my next video.